Welcome to this tutorial on how to fill out a W-9 form in Beacon's Eye. The W-9 form is a crucial document used by the Internal Revenue Service to collect information from independent contractors and freelancers. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of filling out a W-9 form in Beacon's Eye. First, you need to access the W-9 form in Beacon's Eye. To do this, navigate to the Contracts or Payments section of the platform and click on the Tax Forms option. Select the W-9 form from the list of available forms and click on it to open. The W-9 form will have several sections that need to be completed. The first section requires your personal details, including your name and business name. Make sure to enter your details exactly as they appear on your tax return. The next section requires your business entity type. This could be sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or other. Select the correct option based on your business structure. You will also need to provide your address and tax identification number. This could be your social security number or employer identification number. Make sure to enter this information correctly, as it will be used to verify your identity. The next section requires you to certify that you are a U.S. person and that the information provided is correct. Read the certification statement carefully and check the box to confirm. Once you have completed all the sections, review your information carefully to ensure it is accurate. You can then submit the form electronically through Beacon's Eye. Best practices for filling out a W-9 form in Beacon's Eye include double-checking your information for accuracy and keeping a record of your submission. You should also be aware of the deadline for submitting the form, which is typically before you start work or by the end of the calendar year. In conclusion, filling out a W-9 form in Beacon's Eye is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide and taking the time to review your information, you can ensure that your W-9 form is completed accurately and submitted on time.